Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make brownie cake at home, only way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8-inch pan with parchment paper. Melt 4 ounces of chocolate with 8 tablespoons of butter until smooth, then cool slightly. Whisk 3/4 cup sugar into 2 large eggs until glossy. Fold in 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup flour, and a pinch of salt gently, keeping air for a fudgy crumb. Start by sifting 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour to remove lumps. Gently fold the flour into the cooled chocolate mixture, using a spatula and short strokes to keep the batter airy. Stir in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips or nuts if you want extra texture. Overmixing will make the result cakier, so stop when just combined to keep your brownie cake dense and fudgy with a glossy top. Quick recommendation and quick ask. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. On another note, I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth because it simplifies money decisions and reduces stress, which pairs nicely with baking therapy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want a calm financial read, grab it. Now let's get back to the video. Pour batter into the prepared 8-inch pan and smooth the top evenly. Place in a preheated oven at 350 degrees F and bake for 22 to 28 minutes, watching for a thin crust and a slight jiggle in the center. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 15 minutes, then run a knife around the edge and transfer to a rack to finish cooling. Serve warm with ice cream or dusted cocoa for an indulgent treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.